How to log out from Telegram. Do you want to log out of your Telegram account? If you need help with that, you're in the right place. First, open the Telegram app. Then click on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner of the screen. Open Settings. On this screen, you will have many options for adjusting your Telegram account and the app. To log out, click on the three dots in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Log Out. Here, Telegram will offer you alternative options instead of logging out. If you are sure you want to log out, click on Log Out. Think once more about whether you want to do this. If you're sure, confirm your decision. And that's it for this short video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel.